Unlock perfect comfort. HVAC repair by Yaeger Services. Welcome to Yaeger Services, your trusted partner for HVAC service and repair in Orange County, California. We're dedicated to keeping your home comfortable all year round. Our experienced technicians are skilled in diagnosing and fixing any HVAC issues. From routine maintenance to emergency repairs, we've got you covered. At Yaeger Services, we understand the importance of a well-functioning HVAC system. That's why we offer timely and reliable services to ensure your system runs smoothly. We use state-of-the-art equipment and the latest techniques to provide top-notch HVAC repair services. Your comfort is our priority. Is your air conditioning system not cooling properly? Our experts are here to quickly identify and resolve the issue, restoring your comfort. Heating problems can be a hassle, especially during the colder months. Count on us to get your heating system back up and running efficiently. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your HVAC system. Our comprehensive maintenance plans are designed to keep your system in peak condition. At Yaeger Services, we believe in transparent pricing and no hidden fees. You can trust us for honest assessments and fair quotes. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. Our friendly team is committed to providing exceptional service and ensuring your complete satisfaction. Living in Orange County means dealing with varying temperatures. Let us help you maintain a comfortable indoor climate, no matter the weather. We pride ourselves on our quick response times and professional service. When you need HVAC repair, you can rely on Yaeger Services to be there promptly. Choose Yaeger Services for all your HVAC needs in Orange County, California. Experience the difference of working with a dedicated and skilled team. Give us a call today, 1-714-289-8337, or visit us at the link below.